Good morning students, I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. So today in this video class I am going to teach you about how to convert DFA to regular expression. DFA to regular expression. Already if you see last video class I taught you DFA to regular expression conversion, but the different problem. Okay, here I have given one more problem for better workout, and one more thing I want to tell, another two more problems are given in our notes. Okay, so if you see the notes you may see 4 or 5 problems, so you work out that problem also by using the same concept. Clear? Right, so you will understand. If you see our notes you will understand. Okay, so once again I will tell you, this is the second problem. So how to convert DFA to regular expression. This is DFA, right? First you have to check whether DFA to regular expression means the given problem should be, that means given automata should be DFA. Whether this is DFA, what is the rule for DFA? The DFA means the state, how many inputs we have? 2 inputs, A and B. A single state, it should read input A as well as B. See, state 1 reads A and B. Similarly, 2 also read A and B. If you did read only one time or number of times, that is NFA. You should be very clear about this concept, because if they ask finite automata to regular expression, no problem. But particularly they are asking DFA to regular expression conversion. So if the diagram is, you have to check whether the given diagram is DFA. Okay? Yes, this is DFA. And I told you we have two parts. One is basis part and another one is induction part. Okay, basis part, another one is induction part. So in basis part we should assume k equal to 0. And I told you, no, in the problem itself, if they given like find regular expression for this, like that they given, means you can go with that problem. But see, only they are asking convert the regular DFA to regular expression, but they are not known, we don't know what regular expression we have to find. So first we have to check. See, R I j power k is the regular expression rule. Okay, so from the diagram itself you should know what regular expression we should find. What is I? If you see this diagram, I is a starting state. So starting state is 1. So we have to find R1. What is J? Accepting state, that is 2. Okay, R1 2 power. What? How many states are there? K equal to number of states. 2 states. R1 2 power 2. We have to find R1 2 power 2. Suppose in the problem straight away they will ask convert the following DFA into particular R1 2 power 2 regular expression. Or they can ask some other regular expression. So if they ask particularly this, you have to find R12 power 2, where it is R12 power 2. Here we have R12 power 2. We will find R12 power 2, final answer, R12 power 2. Okay. Right, before that we should know how in the basis part we will assume k equal to 0. That is the rule, k equal to 0. We have to assume k equal to 0. Right, so see, R11 power 0. I told you, if there is a 2 state, we have R11, R11, R12, R21, R22. R11, R12, R21, R22. If there is a 3 states, we have to find R11, R12, R13, R21, R22, R23. Clear? You can ask 3-2 like that. If the R32 is equal to R23, okay, so only this much only will come, it will come. Clear? Okay. If there is a 2 state, R11, R12, R21, R22. Okay, this so we will have 1 2 3 4 thing. So k equal to 0, so R11 power 0, R12 power 0, R21 power 0, 22 power 0. So how epsilon plus 0 comes? Based on the theorem rule. See, 1 1, starting state is 1, accepting state is also 1. So in the diagram, initial state starting 1 1. So only this parts only come, 1 1, this parts only come, R11. Okay. So if it is R11 like this, we have a regular expression, we have rule, we have a regular expression epsilon plus pi. Clear? Epsilon plus pi. If you see the previous video, the rule theorem, you may find it. If the automata is like this, what is the regular expression? So okay, that's what I have written, epsilon plus pi. Okay, so now R12. 1 2 means we will consider this and this. So 1 and 2 like this in this diagram, 1 and 2 we have AB. This is R12. Okay, if the automata is like this, we will write a plus b. We will write a plus b, right? So how it a plus b comes? You just check the theorem. That is the Thomson construction method rule. Okay, a plus b. If and our 2 1 power 0, 2 1. So 1 is there, 2 is here, but there is no connection between 2 1. Okay, because we have arrow only 1 and 2. There is no connection between 2 1. If it is like this, we have regular expression pi empty. Okay, that's what I written here. Regular expression pi. And our 2 2 power 0. 2 2 means only starting state is also 2, accepting state is also 2. R 2 2 power 0. 2. Starting state is 2, accepting state is 2. So only this. Okay, so I have a comma b. So if it is a comma b, we will write like epsilon plus a comma b. Okay, you don't ask how it comes. Epsilon plus a plus b. This is the Thomson construction rule. Clear? Okay, now we will come with the induction part. Induction part we have a formula. Rij power k equal to Rij power k plus Rij power k equal to Rij power k minus 1 plus Rik power k minus 1 into Rkk power k minus 1 into Rkj power k minus 1. This is the formula. So I mean we will derive from one theorem. Clear? Okay. So we will use this formula. I mean this formula for this one. Okay. Now we need R12 power 2 equal to, because we are going to find our yes, R12 power 2, I power j k equal to Rij power 0. Okay, R12 power 2. How R12 power 2 comes? How R12 power 2 comes? Ij power, if they are, especially if the particularly if they ask in a problem, you will apply that, but they are not given, you find regular expression for this. So from the diagram itself we can find R starting Ij power k. I value is 1, starting state, initial state. So 1 2 power, number of states is 2. So we have to find R12 power 2. Okay. So R12 power 2 will apply the formula. Here I value is 1, j value is 2. So Ij power k minus 1. 1 2 power k, 2 minus 1, 1. Similarly, we will apply R12 power here. We will apply I, j and k value here. So we will get like this. Okay. See, here I want to find power 1, I am get, but I have power 0 value. So I want to convert once again into to get k minus 1, power 0. Okay, so 1 to power 1, 1 to power 1. So one time we can find 2 to power 1, 2 to power 1. So one time we can find. So we have to find R1 to power 1 once again to make power value as 0. Okay, so again we have to apply. I value is 1, j value is 2, k value is 1 now. So here I found R1 to power 1. See, 1 to power 1, I value is 1, j value is 2, k value is 1, but k minus 1 is 0. So we'll get power 0 value. So what is R1 to power 0? I have here 1 to power 0, a plus b. That's what a plus b. What is R11 power 0? 11 power 0 is epsilon plus pi. That's what I written here. 11 power 0, epsilon plus pi, the whole star. 1 2 power 0, a plus b. Okay. So simply I apply this regular expression with the value. Clear. Now we have to go for minimization rule. That's what we studied. Minimization rule. You may be aware some minimization rule like epsilon plus pi, pi into r, pi into something, epsilon into r plus r. These rules, if you work out the three problems, you may find common rule you will apply. Okay, that's rule we have to apply. Okay, now how we will minimize? See, I am minimizing, right? Epsilon plus pi equal to, we have rule epsilon. You just check the rule, okay? Epsilon plus pi equal to epsilon. So I apply epsilon plus pi the whole star, epsilon star. Epsilon into r equal to r. So epsilon into r equal to r. See, epsilon into r. Here epsilon into r. Now r is a epsilon star. So epsilon, I will get epsilon, okay? So here for instead of this I will get epsilon into a plus b. And you consider epsilon into everything is r. Epsilon into r equal to r. So I will get a plus b. Clear? And now this is r and this is r. R plus r equal to r. That is a plus b. Clear? You will get that? Okay. So you have to work out, okay? You have to work out, then only you will get the clear idea. So this is very important problem. Okay, we found only R12 power 1. Okay, this is okay. Now we go with R122 power 1. Instead of finding R22 power 1, I value is 2, j value is 2, k value is 1. So R22 power 1, you apply I value is 2, j value is 2, k value is 1. So k minus 1, 0, you get 0 power. Okay. So what is R22 power 0? R22 power 0 is epsilon plus a plus b. So we will get epsilon plus a plus b into pi into this and this. Okay. We will get like this. Okay. This is rule. Epsilon plus a plus b. This is minimization rule. Okay. we will get like this. Okay, now we have to go for minimization rule. How can apply? If you see pi into r, see this is pi into everything is will taken as r, so that is pi. We can leave all the terms. Clear? Clear? See pi into this is everything is into. So if we have pi plus, we have to consider, but there is no plus. So pi into r. Once again I will write clearly. See pi into everything is r. Pi into r equal to pi. So it is pi. Pi means nothing, no value. So I can leave all the things. So I will get epsilon plus a plus b alone. Now epsilon plus r, I will take this as r equal to r, that is a plus b. Clear? So I got r12 power 1, r22 power 1. So I can apply this r12 power 1, 22 power 1 in this r12 power 2. Okay, here I got all the values, so I want to apply here. If I apply here, I will get like this r a plus b plus a plus b into a plus b star a plus b. See, this is the very thing. If you see the problem like this, common term a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. If you find a common term like this, you just find one technique, that is we will take a common term outside. Okay, like in order to make epsilon term clear, if I take this a plus b outside, here a plus b, here a plus b outside, I will take as epsilon. See, a plus b outside, but I am considering this as epsilon plus a plus b the whole star into a plus b. Okay, see here also I have taken this as common, here also I have taken this as common. So it comes epsilon plus a plus b the whole star a plus b. So you will get like this in order to make epsilon term. Now it is very easy. See, epsilon plus r star r equal to r star. We have a formula. So epsilon plus this is r star. Okay, epsilon plus r star r. It's like epsilon plus r star r equal to r star. Okay, so I will get r star, that is a plus b star. So here I have a plus b star. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Once again I will tell you, we can check this answer in this diagram. See how I told you, no, this is a into b means a plus b. Okay, if it is like this, a comma b means a plus b the whole star. But the diagram, see a plus b into a plus b the whole star. Okay, into a plus b the whole star. From the before doing the problem, we can guess the answer by seeing this transition diagram. Okay, if it is 2 state, but 3 state is somewhat difficult. Clear? See, tell me, if the diagram is like this, a comma b, this is not a, right? A comma b and or a, here it is b, here a comma b. If it is like this, what is the answer? See now, a star, so a star into b, a plus b the whole star, a plus b the whole star. Okay, so if it is a comma b means a plus b into a plus b the whole star. Clear? Like this we have 2 more problems in your notes, so kindly refer the notes, and very clearly I have given the rules also at the right side of the problem. In your notes you can see. Okay, so you don't confuse anything, just compare with the rule and you just minimize the regular expression. Finally you will get like this. Okay, thank you.